Welcome to another episode of Website Challenges Solved, where our tips mean you spend less time on your website and more time doing what counts. Today we chat about how to auto-update your tables from Google Sheets. If you're the one keeping prices, menus or rosters up to date on a business website, or if you look after the fixtures for your local sports club, you have probably lived this firsthand. Take the club situation. Saturday morning, a player checks the site for kickoff. 3 o'clock at home, it says. But that game was moved weeks ago. Now it's 1 o'clock, the other side of town. The club secretary knew, the spreadsheet knew, but the website didn't get the memo. It didn't get updated. Here's what that costs. People stop trusting the website and you lose credibility. Maybe they'll ring you instead, or in this case, maybe they'll turn up to the wrong ground and let the team down. Plus, whoever's doing the actual website updates loses an evening every week just copy-pasting the changes to the web page. So today, that ends. We connect the spreadsheet straight to the website. When the spreadsheet changes, the site changes. 10 minutes to set up and you only do it once. Start with the spreadsheet that's always right, the one the secretary keeps. We don't touch that workflow at all. All we need is the share link. Over on the website, data tables by Supsystic, new table, import from Google Sheets and paste the link. And there's the whole season, 11 fixtures, every column, no typos, no duplications. Now, the part that matters most. What you just imported is a one-time copy. To make it live, open the Source tab. Choose Google Sheets Sync and paste the same link. Hit Save. And that's it. That one setting is the whole feature. From now on, this table follows the spreadsheet. Drop it on the fixtures page. Visitors can sort by date, search for an opponent, and the results color code themselves. Green for a win. Hopefully we'll see lots of green here this season. Now, watch this. Saturday's result goes into the spreadsheet, same as the secretary always does. Or if there's a time or venue change, it's changed in the spreadsheet, same place. Back to the website. Refresh, and there it is. Results are in. Times are updated and correct. And here's the thing. Nobody logged into WordPress, nobody copy-pasted anything, and somebody just saved an evening every week. That's the whole system. The secretary keeps doing what she's always done. One spreadsheet kept right. The website just follows. And if you're the one keeping prices and menus or rosters up to date, this exact same system is yours. Same setting, just linked to your spreadsheet. What used to be the job that nobody wanted isn't even a job at all anymore. The feature's called Auto Update from Google Sheets. It's part of Data Tables Pro by Supsystic, and there's a link down below. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee too. So, try it on your own fixtures list, or in your pricing, or whatever lists you have, and let me know how it goes. Next episode, how to make your best photos pop on your website. And you can do it in about 4 minutes flat. I'll see you then. Cheers.